Welcome to the Tech Nexus. Today, I will be explaining what a virtual machine is and the purposes which they have. Have you ever wondered what a virtual machine is? In simple terms, a virtual machine, or VM, is a software environment that simulates a physical computer, allowing you to run multiple operating systems and applications on a single computer. A virtual machine provides a layer of abstraction between the physical hardware and the operating system, making it possible to create and run multiple virtual machines on a single physical machine. To create a virtual machine, you need to install virtual machine software, such as Oracle VM VirtualBox, VMware, or Microsoft Hyper-V. Once the virtual machine software is installed, you can create a new virtual machine by selecting the type of operating system you want to run and allocating the required resources, such as CPU, memory, and storage. Once you have created a virtual machine, you can install the operating system and applications, just like you would on a physical computer. The beauty of a virtual machine is that it allows you to run multiple operating systems and applications on a single physical machine, making it a powerful tool for developers, IT professionals, and anyone who needs to test or run different software environments. Virtual machines are also useful for testing new software releases or updates, as they allow you to create a clean and isolated environment for testing without affecting your physical computer. In conclusion, a virtual machine is a software environment that simulates a physical computer, allowing you to run multiple operating systems and applications on a single computer. It's a powerful tool for developers, IT professionals, and anyone who needs to test or run different software environments. Thanks for watching this Tech Nexus video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing to the Tech Nexus for future uploads. Have a great day.